This short video talks about the availability listing on Raker.com and how to start your order by adding items to your shopping cart. Raker offers one of the most comprehensive and accurate availability listings in the industry. Our availability is real-time, which means exactly what it implies. The quantities of trays that you see on our website is exactly what we have on hand. Our database that drives our availability listing is continuously updated as other customers place orders, product is released from our quality department and made available for sale, etc. Let's take a look at the different components of the availability page on Raker.com, and then we will walk through the different purchasing options. If you are a salesperson or a broker, you will need to select the customer that you are purchasing for from the drop-down. If you are a customer, this drop-down will be populated by default. However, if you have multiple shipping locations, you will need to select the one Raker will be shipping to. Next, you have the ability to export our availability to various file formats for viewing our availability offline. Select the file format that you wish to export to and click the Export button. A number of search options are available to narrow the number of items returned in the availability grid. These options include class, container, starts with, and item description contains. As an example, you can choose to look at items that have red in the item description. To remove any of the search filters that you've applied, simply click the red X to remove it. Next, let's look at the availability grid. The availability grid includes the Raker item ID, the class, the item description, container, price code, and the ship week that the product is available in. Quantities listed in each of the ship week columns indicate the number of trays that will be available for that ship week. If you see an item with a TBD in the ship week column, this means there's product in the system that may be available for that week but has not yet been determined on the exact quantity. You may have noticed that some items appear with a magnifying glass icon. This indicates that cultural information and an image are available for that item. To see it, simply hover over the icon and a bubble will appear with the information. Lastly, let's talk about how to get an availability item into your shopping cart. Once you find an item you'd like to purchase, click on the row that contains the item. Select the number of trays you wish to purchase from the desired ship week. You also have the option to add tags to your order. If you click the Add Tags option, the minimum tag quantity will automatically be selected. If you wish to order additional tags, you can increase the quantity, but the increase will be in the required increments, usually 25. Now that you have your trays and tags selected, you are ready to add the item to your shopping cart. By clicking the Add to Cart button, the selected number of trays and tags for that ship week will be added to your cart. If this is an item that you must have, you may want to consider using the Buy It Now option. Using this option immediately removes the item from availability and reserves it for you. Using this option also obligates you to purchase since it has been removed from availability and our other customers can no longer purchase it. A warning will appear explaining this when using this option.